Welcome back. So the last thing that you need to do is that you need to store the meals and information that the user has sent us in a database and make sure that the user paid. And once the user pays, then you can deliver the meal. And of course, in order to accomplish that, you will have to have a server-side programming language and store this object, which is the user object, which contains the meals and the ticket. These are the most important things, the two most important things. Of course, in your checkout here link, you will have, of course, to get the user location. And then once the user pays in that link, you can deliver the meals because you have the ticket. And here, once the user clicks on the checkout, you can just use the ticket to know that this specific user has ordered these meals. So here in the case 50, what you need to do here, you need to send the meals plus the ticket and plus the payment status, meaning that you need to check, you need basically to set the payment status to not paid yet, so that if the user doesn't pay, then you will not deliver the meals. You need to wait for payment, and once the user pays, then you can start delivering the meals. And to make requests, you can just simply use the this function which we created before, which is going to make a request to your backend. You need to have a backend, and in order to have a backend, you will need to have a server and a database, and you can make calls and send the meals as well as the ticket and payment status. And if you don't know about these stuff, you can hire a backend developer that will do that for you. And of course, the payment here is going to be through your checkout link, which is going to be this link. Of course, this link shouldn't be Google. It should be HTTPS and then your domain or your website payment page, your website payment page.com or whatever your name of your restaurant or payment system, so that once the user pays, you will know that the user paid, and then you can start delivering meals to the user. And again, that can only be done on the server. It cannot be done here because this is a front-end code, so you can't do that in the front end. You need to have a back-end programming language such as PHP or Java or Node.js or whatever back-end language you are going to use.